So hey everyone, so in the previous video I have received one comment to make another video on this, how to create a perfect repositories. So basically in this video I will show you how to make your GitHub repositories so that it look professionals and impress recruiters, collaborators and even other developers. So why a good repo matters. So recruiters often check GitHubs before interview. Like after you submit a resume, GitHub checks your GitHub repository that how much you have code, what type of code you have written, you have followed a certain principle like LD, TLD or not, right? Like adding the repository didn't mean that it's just adding some clone and adding a clone is perfect, but you have to be also show them that you have done some engineering in that. Like only the performing current operation is not a you know give a good impression to the recruiters or collaborators or developers who check your repositories. So make sure that you have done some good engineering. Like you have to make sure that you have made a good project. So a clean and well documented repo stand out from hundreds of messy ones. First impression matters, as you all know. So try to make one README file and mention that what are the things inside your repositories in the particular project. So try to show briefly your resume, your profile overview. Highlight that your repositories. Mention your top project. Like in my case, I am work on like Uber booking platform, ride booking platform, room rental service, Quora app, lead code solution. Right, I have added all the my lead code solution in that. So for that you can use GitHub. You'll get on the you have to just type GitHub and add in your Google Chrome. It will automatically sync with your GitHub. So whatever you submit on the lead code, it will automatically sync with your GitHub and automatically submitted. Don't need to do anything. So what are the structure of the good repositories? What type of repository you should make? So like clear repo name, short description is important. Readme.md at the top act as your project landing page. Folder structure should be in a good way. Writing a strong README file is important. Start with the project title and short descriptions. Add a project screenshot or demo. Add some GIF. So a tech stack, like what are tech stack you have used? What are the things you have performed? Let's try to write in the descriptions. Add a link live demo if you have. Like if you have deployed on AWS or whatever, try to give a link. If you have multiple project, create a main.readme.md file. Add all your major project in that. So give you multiple link, give them one link. And from the MD file, it will help you to recruiters to check your all the projects. Like what are the extra tips should I give you? So add an image top of the readme file. Keep a commit clean with a meaningful message. In a top six repo on your GitHub profiles. And let me show my GitHub repo. So this is my GitHub repo. Like this is readme.md file. You can see here whatever I have done, I have like I try to show them all things. The repository section, if you go, you can see all the projects like right booking platform. You can say right booking platform. You will get like multiple links or multi of particular project. Because I can't give a link to every project, right? So these are microservices that are running separately. So I need to be like make sure that I try to give one link in that it include all the microservice project link, right? So this type you can make it. If you have Microsoft, lot of microservice project like Cora backend, Angular project, there's some of the things like implement the front end and backend. So like there are a lot of the project that I implement. It's very important that try to be make sure it looks good to the recruiters and it impress them. You can make sure that it can impress the recruiters. So again, last I will say great GitHub repo is like your portfolio. Make it clean, make it professional. If you find this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more developer tips. So let me know in the comment how you like the video or not and what should I improve. And so you enjoyed. Thank you.